My name is Shreya Chhatrapati Desai. Today's we are discuss about gate driver circuit. First of all, we discuss why we need gate driver. I will try to explain the block diagram. This is a microcontroller. This is a driver IC, and that is a MOSFET or IGBT circuit. If you see that block diagram, the microcontroller is training to the driver of MOSFET and IGBT circuit. If a driver IC, so if you having a huge power conversion circuit where this MOSFET for the driver some motor something, then he are power MOSFET kind of thing. You definitely need to switch the very fast. You need good driver current to the gate. So is the case the driver IC is most important. Gate driver. Next point we will discuss to gate driver used for various application. It has a many application. First is a low side MOSFET driver, second is a high side MOSFET driver, third is a full bridge MOSFET driver, and also one is a three phase MOSFET driver. We will discuss to first low side MOSFET driver. In low side MOSFET driver, sometimes it is run here where MOSFET connected to the ground and load connected to the supply. Such configuration is a low side MOSFET, and another one is a high side MOSFET driver. In high side MOSFET driver, is power supply is directly connected to the MOSFET and MOSFET to the P channel, and then load is connected to the ground. Next we will discuss to definition of gate driver. We will take about definition of gate driver: a circuit which accept low driver output from the controller amplifier, the output to drive the gate of the device like MOSFET and IGBT. It is diagram of MOSFET. Here is a gate, here is a drain, and here is the source. We will draw the diagram of IGBT. It is a collector, it is a emitter, and here is a gate. Here we will draw the diagram of high side driver circuit. With LTC 1157 from analog. In this diagram, where we have MOSFET with our driver to gate driver. So the gate driver, we can here gate driver drive the MOSFET. Consider here 3.3 voltage logic will be from a microcontroller. This is a microcontroller of LTC 1157. Just view as understanding to how driver is controlled. In microcontroller, this is a ground pin and this is a VCC pin. Microcontroller. Here the driver IC and many application of driver IC. First is isolation, another one is protection, third one is interface to microcontroller, and another is operating voltage, and another one is a propagation delay. here is a one circuit like MOSFET circuit or IGBT circuit. Why we told about this driver, we need to what are the specification, who will it control all those. So I am first main point is a driver IC, which is within the operation voltage and the U interface of microcontroller. If another important point, so the from the microcontroller, it could be state GPA that could drive driver IC or driver IG might have serial interface that like SPI I2C, where microcontroller big driving driver, so that interface configuration that driver to platform activities that is output. So depending how design what that could be the interface related, and then we could have a requirement where we have to switch very high frequency at the output, like we have power convolution happening very high speed to need switch output quickly at the high frequency if we have output has MOSFET. Next I will told you some manufacturing gate driver chips. First there is many chips like microchip. Second is analog device. Third one is on semiconductor. And fourth is ST micro electronics. I will give one example for your understanding. Example is a real life gate driver circuit for the solar inverter. For a solar inverter, I will draw one flow diagram to your understanding. Here is a 20 volt gate driver supply. Here is a IR gate driver IC. Number is IR2112. Then here is resistor, gate resistor. The range of resistor is 10 ohm. Here is MOSFET. Here is a MOSFET IRF840, and here is source. In that flow diagram, components used to first microcontroller, then gate driver, then MOSFET, bootstrap capacitor is another is a bootstrap. Capacitor, it has a range is 10 microfarad. It works to the help drive high side MOSFET. And another one is a DC link capacitor. It is used to the filter the DC voltage. And MOSFET is used to the handle power switching. Also gate drive IC is used to the amplify the control signal. And microcontroller is for the generate PWM signals. Why this matter? because without a gate driver, MOSFETs and IGBT would switch to slowly, leading to high power loss and overheating. Another point is a gate driver enhance high frequency switching, making solar inverters more efficient and compact. And it is used to the solar farms, UPS system, and industrial power supplies. We will discuss two key functions of a gate driver circuit. First, voltage level shifting. Second, current amplification, isolation, and protection features. Application of this circuit: smart vehicle headlamp control, PWM dimmer control for LED lights, DC motor speed control, switching high power loads with microcontrollers. This is all about the gate driver circuit. Thank you.